Yeah, there it is. There it is. There you go. Oh, that was good.
Hey, it's Dr. Colby back in motion, your St. John's chiropractor. Today I'm with Bruce. Bruce is a mechanic. He initially found us, his mother-in-law told us about us, and he was having a lot of low back pain, some pain down his leg. We've got him going on a good treatment plan, and he's doing a lot better now. So today we'll demonstrate some adjustments and get him feeling good for the weekend.
Love it.
First thing we'll do today, really good stretch on his low back. Open up those discs, open up those joints. You guys have a pretty busy day at the shop today, Bruce?
Oh my gosh, it's been crazy. Just heating up and AC work's coming in on top of all the general maintenance and everything else we've got to do. So it's been a
Feels like summer out there already.
right. Which is good for business, you know.
How's the stretch feeling?
Fantastic.
You buying any cars this week?
It's funny you say that. I actually bought a BMW today.
Nice. How's it like? Needs a lot of work? Or?
No, it's a friend of a friend, one of my regulars that she was having some issues with it, and she wanted to buy a new car, but she wasn't running at that point, so she didn't worry about trying to trade it in. So we just went and bought the car, and it's been sitting in her garage for a few months. It's a 2011 335i.
Oh wow,
Nice car. I mean, it's
really
relatively good shape, but she just couldn't get it running and starting to where she can go trade it in. So I guess they gave her some ridiculous lowball offer at the dealership, and she came by and she goes, "If you'll give me that, I'll sell it." And I was like, "Take my money." So
Now, do you just how do you sell it? Do you go?
What I'll do is
put it on the
it's-
marketplace.
what I'll do is, like I said, I'll probably find a family member that needs it, so I'll just give it to them. You know, it's one of those things. Like, I get them occasionally. I actually don't say that you see her, but I may give it to Shannon. And
Oh man,
you know, it's a cute little two-door roadster, something fun to ride in. So we'll see.
she's gonna be riding fancy.
Right. Well, she's got an old Mazda that Tony bought for her years ago, because she only drives 3 miles a day, so she doesn't need anything crazy.
Jeez.
And she's really, like I said, we live real close, and so she doesn't need anything fancy. She doesn't complain much about it, but it's kind of on its last leg. And I told Tony and them, I was like, "Listen, I'm not putting any more money in this car. It's not worth it. Just run it till
That's the point of no return.
well, it's just any money you put into it, you'll never get out of it. I mean, the car's worth $1,000, $1,500. So it doesn't have any value. So there's no point in fixing the little odds and ends stuff. Like her back windows don't roll down, but she doesn't use them. So it's just a commuter car for her. So I may give her something if I can. If
That's
this
an upgrade.
right, if this can give her a little bit of a snazzy ride, something to tool around in, we'll get her in it. So, but yeah, for being just a mechanic, I end up with a bunch of cars. It's funny.
You guys got any more camping trips planned?
You know, we've this time of the year, like I said, when our daughter was with her sports, she travels so much. So we're between now and basically May, we've got almost every weekend planned out for this competition, that competition, where we got to go. We have to go to Dayton in a month, Nashville after that.
Dayton, Ohio?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we got to go to Daytona one weekend. Next weekend, we got to go to Flagler.
Is that for
the Winter Guard.
Winter, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that where they throw the
Yeah, they've got
guns in the air and like
right.
Yeah.
They do the floor routine with the gymnastic stuff, and then they do rifles and sabers and flags, and
That looks like it could be kind of dangerous. Some of those.
Well, yeah. I mean, the thing about it is the
Those
rifles
guns are kind of like heavy.
Right, the rifles, they're just wood blocks, but they weigh 2 or 3, 4 pounds. But they throw them 15 feet up in the air, and that comes down and hits the toe, breaks it. They've had girls get hit in the head. The one girl, the flags are actually probably not say the most dangerous, but their weight is unbalanced because the flag is on one end, and it's it can get caught up, tangled, whatever else mid-flight, and there was one girl that had hit her in the square forehead, and they gave her concussion. It was
Jeez.
So I might do
So
it.
does she practice a lot at the house?
Oh my gosh, yeah. She's done it. I think it's the only sport she's really ever done. She did it since 6th grade, and she'll be a junior next year. So 5-6 years she's done it. And but yeah, she tosses a bunch at the house, but they have practice 3-4 nights a week.
Alright, let's get some good adjustments.
All right. Oh yeah.
There we go. That's a good one. Let's have it on your side facing yours. Back leg straight, this leg back.
Yeah, okay.
Good stretch right here, just relax now.
Oh,
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, let's have it on your other side. Good.
Flip it. There we go.
There it is. Let's have it on your back. So you guys going to Dayton this weekend, or?
No, Dayton's not till middle of April, so we got a month and a half or so. But we've got this weekend's the only weekend we've got.
A little warmer by the time.
Yeah, right.
I'm sure they got some snow on the ground up there. They just had a big
Oh
cold front.
gosh, yeah, I'm sure.
Let's get this mid back. Some real good ones. It's tight right there, Dad.
Right.
That was
good.
it, right?
That was good.
That was the one. Let's stretch out these hips real good. This right here, we'll just kind of pump it a little bit. Yeah, that was it right there.
Yeah.
Best one we've gotten yet.
Right.
Yeah.
Ready for a good weekend? Oh yeah, for sure.
This is Dr. Cole, back in motion. Have a good day.